getting crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't.
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl TJ. If you guys are new, hey, what's good? What's poppin'? If you guys are return subscribers, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. Anyway, y'all see we have a ginger wig here today, and she is from Nadula Hair. She is 24 inches, 150% in density. As you guys can see, she's a body wave pattern, and she is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So let's just get into this prettiness right here. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on for the first time, and let me do mention this, y'all. This wig was super duper soft for it to be colored, pre-colored hair. Okay, super duper soft, y'all. I don't know what they did, but they needed to spill the tea, so when I color my hair, it can be extremely soft like this. But anyway, lace comes pre-plucked. Of course, the knots are bleached because of the color, and y'all, this is pretty. Look at the waves. This is straight out the package. So I'm just gonna go in and do some flat ironing. I just wanted to show you guys like the hairline before I said flat ironing, hot combing. I just wanted to go in and show you guys the hairline before I get started, and I just wanted to show you guys how flat this unit was. This is what I live for. So off camera, of course, I just added my cream foundation, and this is what the lace is looking like. Like I said, I didn't do too much plucking because it wasn't needed or necessary. But yeah, so you probably can't even tell the difference between last clip and this clip because I didn't really, pluck a lot. So now I'm just cutting off the excess lace. Y'all, don't be too cute with this lace. Make sure it's jagged so it can look as natural as possible. But let's just get into the lace though. The lace is very transparent. It just blended so good into my forehead, and look, it's not even melted down yet, and it's like, what lace? Because literally, what lace? I don't know what they did or what type of lace they used, but I am completely here for it. That lace is everything. Now, for some reason, I don't know where the beginning of this clip went. I thought I was recording. Apparently, I wasn't because I don't have it when I, took my ebony spray to adhere this middle section down. So please excuse me, y'all. It's just right in the middle of the clip. But y'all know how it goes. I'm just taking my ebony spray and securing it down just so my unit ain't going nowhere. And I wanted a stronger hold today because I was going out and about. All right, so now that everything is laid down, okay, we're going to take a little wrap styling strips, and we're going to wrap it around there, and I'm going to let it sit for a good 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just going in with some scissors to cut this styling strip off now. We don't need it no more, so let's get rid of her, okay? So I'm just going in to clean up my part just a little bit. Y'all, I have OCD when it comes down to parting. Like, I'll do that thing a million times until it is straight. So now I'm taking my Erika J Wax Stick, and we're just going to go in and hot comb it just so everything could be nice and laid. Y'all, this hair is just looking so good. I just had to throw this clip in here. Look at that. So now I'm just going in with some concealer, and we're just going to go ahead and, you know, define the part. Y'all know, if it ain't popping, it ain't a part. Y'all know I have to go in with my baby hairs. I just can't leave it here. Now, all the baby hairs is not going to be showing anyway because I'm going to be having the hair down over my face. But we still got to do our little customization. So I'm just taking small pieces and, you know, creating my little C-shaped swoops. And that is pretty much it. I'm using the got2b glue, what is it called? Styling gel. I went back to this product, okay, because I ran out of everything else I had before. But I'm just going to take my comb and swoop it to my liking. Lately with the gel, I've been setting it with my got2b glue spray just so it's not going nowhere. And boom, she is pretty, y'all. So I did the same wand curls that I've been doing in my last couple of videos, and I just did some, you know, backward wand curls, and then, you know, that is pretty much it. Now, I did leave the wand curler on each hair for about 30 seconds, just counting 30 seconds, because I wanted a loose type of curl. I didn't want anything tight. This is pretty much the end of the video because literally I'm just gonna, you know, finger detangle the curls out, and then, you know, that is it, y'all. This hair color is super pretty, y'all. It looks very full. It's it has a lot of body, it has a lot of shine. I love this ginger color, and I know this ginger color has been trending lately on the internet, and I've been seeing everybody rocking this color, and it looks good on everybody I've seen so far. So I'm like, sis, why not? So yeah, I haven't had any problems with this unit tangling on me. I got a little bit of shedding. Like I said, I did go in and pluck it just a wee bit in the beginning, so it did give me a little bit of shedding. This hair has not been washed or conditioned. I do style my unit straight out the box so you can see what you're actually getting. So that is pretty much it, y'all. Let me know how you feel in this color. But yeah, let me know, y'all. All information will be in the description section below. And until next time, your girl, see you later. Bye.